So Joey behind me, please keep to the right hand side exactly. The other group can pass so that we couldn't do rotations. Perfect. Before the 100 meter sign, on the brakes, second gear, all the way to the inside, and gentle on the gentle acceleration out here. Now Jason, you can turn off the hazard indicators, only the last car has them turned on. Perfect, thank you. Now coming up to a rouge, just turning in, small brake, turn to the right, and then back up onto the main straight again. Keep the car all the way on the left hand side and just at 200 meters on the brakes. You still have to feel the track is getting drier and drier with each lap. We'll just have to manage to see how good the conditions are. So, normally in wet conditions you try to avoid the curbs too much because they can get slippery, so be careful about that. Again, left hand side, braking roughly before the 100 meter sign, take the brake in until the first cone, then rotate the car, see the second cone, position yourself close, and get out into the next corner combination. Braking on the outside, all the way to the inside, and then downhill acceleration. Nice. Braking just at the beginning of the curve, straight line braking. You feel a bit of movement due to the wet surface, the moist surface, and then see how easy and gentle you can maneuver out of here. I always try to slow down a bit once I see that the gaps are getting too big, so if you feel comfortable, stay close to each other. Once I see that the gap is getting bigger, I'll just reduce the speed just a bit to make sure that we're together as a group. Left hand side, braking all the way until the apex once it's dry. And then short release of the throttle, turn in and keep the car steady on the accelerator. You can drive the perfect line, so all the way to the right hand side, to the first curb left, and then here outside shortly on the brakes, position the car for blanchiment too, and then all the way to the outside again. Watch out, we have a bit of traffic coming up, so just slow down please, thank you. It's a great start into the day, nicely done. So on the start and finish straight we will do one more rotation. So now it's Bo behind me, move to the right hand side please, and then the rest of the group can pass on the left. Thank you. Positioning to the left hand side again, braking just before 100 meters, all the way from the outside to the inside. Second gear, easy on the accelerator, not too pushy there.